everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to add excess baggage to your Indigo Airlines after you've already booked. So either you need to visit the airline's website, so just head over to the website and under your flights, when you click on it, manage, there should be an option that says add baggage, or you could directly call their call center. So what you need to do for that is you want to search for contact us on Google, and then you'll see that these are the lines. So just click on this in either of these numbers. As you can see, these are for flights, and this should be done minimum minimum 2 hours before your flight departure. So you can't do it last second. Just before 2 hours, you need to call them and let them know, hey, I want to add excess baggage, and they will help you out, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.